Hello everyone, this is Shilpa Sharma, lecturer, Human Resource Department, Simit Group of Institutions, Patna. In this video, I am going to discuss about one important theory of motivation, which is Herzberg's two-factor theory. This theory is very important for students of BBA, MBA, whoever have to study motivation. Often this theory is asked in exam with naming of different set of factors. Friedrich Herzberg proposed this theory, and according to Friedrich Herzberg, there are two sets of factors operating at the workplace in the organization, but they act independent of each other. One set of factor is known as hygiene factor and the other set of factor is known as motivators. So these are two dimensions of factors at workplace. Hygiene factors are those factors which are important to prevent dissatisfaction at workplace. यानी लोगों को डिससेटिस्फैक्शन ना हो वर्क प्लेस पे, इसलिए हाइजीन फैक्टर्स इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं. लेकिन हाइजीन फैक्टर्स के रहने का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि लोगों को उससे मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. इफ़ वी टेक एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सम ऑफ द हाइजीन फैक्टर्स, वी सी वर्किंग कंडीशंस, देन द नेचर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, which is the nature of leadership, the policies of management. These are some of the factors, and one very important, and this is often asked in exam, money, means the salary is a hygiene factor according to Friedrich Herzberg. ये सारे factors जो अभी आपको बताए, the salary, the type of management, which means whether it is an autocratic management, whether it believes in democratic or participative style of management, what kind of leadership exists, does leadership involve people, does it become participative, or is it just an autocratic form, salary, whether it is low or high, whether it commensurates your skill or not, working conditions, like all the working conditions which have been defined in the Factories Act, Mines Act. These working conditions जैसे छुट्टी मिलनी चाहिए, वर्किंग कंडीशंस में क्लेanliness होना चाहिए, हाइजीन मेंटेन होना चाहिए, ह्यूमिडिटी मेंटेन होनी चाहिए, प्रॉपर लाइटनिंग होनी चाहिए, like these. So these factors are called hygiene factors. The presence of hygiene factors does not cause motivation, please remember, but their absence will cause dissatisfaction. यानी अगर hygiene factors ना हो वर्क प्लेस पे तो उससे एम्प्लॉयज़ में dissatisfaction का भाव बढ़ेगा. On the other hand, the other set of factors that Friedrich Herzberg talked about was motivators. Motivators are those set of factors which are important for providing satisfaction to the employees and motivation. Which are these? We can get this clear by example. For example, the recognition, the sense of achievement, the nature of work. Nature of work means whether it is repetitive kind of work, whether it is challenging work. Evidently, you can understand through your nature also. If the work is repetitive in nature, monotonous in nature, there is no challenge involved in doing that work, then probably there will be no source of motivation at the workplace. A work should contain some sort of challenges in order to make the employee have a sense of achievement after completing that job. Then we have the nature of job we discussed, sense of achievement, where there is enough prospect for the employees to grow in that organization also, which means that growth opportunities are an important source of motivation for employees in the organization. I hope this point is clear. If you understand the two set of factors, hygiene factors, also called dissatisfiers, and motivator, another factors which cause motivation at workplace. These two factors, they work independently of each other. Means presence of one is important and the absence will cause dissatisfaction. This is hygiene factor, and the presence of one which is important to motivate, stimulate motivation, is motivator factors. I hope I have been able to explain Herzberg's two factor theory in very short though. Thank you.